Given that Elon has been making his mainstream media rounds talking about AI, in particular, he's mentioned that he's going to be launching his rival to ChatGPT, I decided to take a closer look at GPT. Back in December, when we entered our risk on window for crypto, a lot of AI coins took off because there was a lot of talk of AI in the media. So I'm hoping with Elon making his rounds and the fact that we have a lot of meme coins taking off, maybe we see the ticker GPT get some attention again. Since its initial pump to over 10 cents, it's hit a low of about 6.5 cents. It's been consolidating in this range, making lower highs, has had a pretty good daily close, and on top of that, they recently secured a listing on KuCoin, and they're actively marketing to Korean-based community members who are known for chasing pumps. If you're interested in trading this yourself, here are the venues you can trade it at. I've gone ahead and provided referral links in the description below, which could potentially get you guys 10% off your trading fees.